Hi everyone, in this video we are going to learn some sewing hacks. For that we are going to cut the double-sided tape and paste it on the machine like this. In this way it will not slide it. Put the cloth on the top of it like we are doing here, and look, it will not slide because there is a barrier of the tape. Now start the machine and look, it is done. How easily and in straight line the work is done. Second, you can also put these two pins and then paste it on the top of the machine and start sewing it. You can also sew the stretchy fabric like this or the normal fabric as well. You can also slide it, and look, your work is done and the stitching is in a straight line, and it is a very easy and useful hack. Here we are going to stitch the corner of the cloth. You can also use it for collar or for any dress. So start stitching it, fold it and cut the extra part from the tip and open it, flip it like this, cut the extra thread as well, and look, it's done. Let's learn to make different frill designs. First we're going to put this pin and start stitching it at the center, and look, it's done. After this we're going to put this beautiful lace. For that we're also putting this pin and fold the cloth and put it on the top of the lace like this and start the machine. In this way it will stitch in a straight line. Remove it and look, it's done. Third, we are going to mark lines on this paper and start folding it on the top of the green fabric like this. Make folds and the design and the frill we need. Start the machine and look, remove the paper and it's done. This is one of the most easy stitching hacks. So let's learn. Make a hole on this cardboard and put it on the top of the machine. Paste it from its both sides using a paper. Put the lace inside and now the cloth. Fold it and start the machine, and look how easily it is stitching in a straight line. Now remove the fabric and lace and look, it's done. You can cut the extra part later. Thank you so much for watching this video.